Python conditional one or the other, but not both. I am trying to compile an if statement in Python where it checks two variables to see if they are lower than or equal to 0.05. Now if both variables are true, I just want the code to pass/continue, but if only one of the variables are true, then I want the code to do something. For example, I don't think this example will work the way I would want it as my understanding of or as one condition returns true or both conditions return true. If someone could assist in pointing me in the right direction, it would greatly be appreciated.
What you want is called an exclusive OR, which in this case can be expressed as a not equal or is not relation. The way this works is that the if will only succeed if one of them is true and the other one is false. If they're both true or both false, then it'll go to the else block.
Since relational operators always result in a bool, just check to see if they are different values.
This method is technically slower because it has to calculate the comparisons twice, but I find it slightly more readable. Your mileage may vary.
Just another way of doing so.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.